Hey, welcome to the happy hour with the Javys. Please allow me to show you how to make a Carajillo. That's one of Flaco's and I favorite drink because it's very easy to make, fun, and super tasty. And for this drink, you're gonna need this liqueur 43. You're gonna need a little bit of brandy. Today we have this 24-year from Domaine Chandon. You can't find it anymore, so you could use whatever brandy you have. We're gonna need some ice and an espresso machine. So let's see. We put one of these espressos here. And while we wait for these, you can serve it in a martini glass. You can serve it in this cocktail glass. This to me is very special. It was given to me by my mentor. So it's probably been in the family for 5 decades. I don't know. Very special glass. So now that we have the espresso ready, we're gonna do in the shaker because this is the way I like it. So we have already some ice in there. We pour it over the ice, and I'm gonna put a couple more of these ice in there, and then pretty much about the same amount of coffee, the espresso that you put in there, you're gonna add of these liqueur. And here we are. This is a little bit sweet, so you gotta be careful. This is how you measure the sweetness of it. You pour it over there. And like I said, you could use any of the brandy. I like this one, so we're gonna use a little bit to make it fun. And then you shake it. And you pretty much wanna shake it until you don't hear much of the ice, because that means you're gonna make it very foamy. And the foamy at the end of the glass makes it really, really, really beautiful. You'll see it when I'm pouring. Okay, ready? Check it out. See that? Very foamy. Now let's taste it. I love it. I love how it's a little bit sweet, nutty, with the coffee, but it's not overly sweet because I use a little bit of brandy. Thank you for watching.